Want to drive a legendary JDM car on Indian roads? Here's how you can import cars like the Nissan Silvia, Mazda RX-7, or Toyota Supra straight from Japan to India in 2025. Step 1. India only allows right-hand drive (RHD) cars. The vehicle must be roadworthy and comply with the Bharat Stage V emission norms. Step 2. Only cars that are brand new, imported by companies, or over 3 years old as personal imports are allowed. Classics like Nissan Skyline GTR, R32, or Toyota Chaser can qualify as vintage if over 30 years old. Step 3. Receipt emoji, get an import license. Ship emoji, hire a clearing agent. Package emoji, ship the car via ro-ro or container. Receipt emoji, pay import duty, around 165% total including customs, GST, and cess. Step 4. Once the car arrives, white tick mark emoji, get it tested at RI. White tick mark emoji, apply for RTO registration. White tick mark emoji, pay road tax and insurance. Step 5. Yes, it's expensive, but if you're a true JDM fan, it's worth every rupee. Follow at JDM Drive Japan for more import tips, car reviews, and Japanese car content.